folks, I hope you're well. It's another beautiful October afternoon here, and I've just received my latest I Love Gin monthly subscription box. So it's gin o'clock, as it always is. So before I make them, I'm going to show you what's in the box. So in the box you have, as always, a leaflet here to tell you exactly what the gins are and how to mix them. You also have your £5 gift voucher, which allows you to get £5 off a large bottle of gin if you decide you can't live without it. So you've got the Fentimans Connoisseur's Tonic Water. And then you've got the Silent Pool Intricately Realised Gin. Oh, be interested to see what that tastes like. This is the Slingsbury gin, Restoring the Spirit of Harrogate. It's a rhubarb gin. And lastly here you've got the Fentimans Rose Lemonade, which is infused with aromatic rose oil. So first up, I'm going to go for the Fentimans Connoisseur's Tonic Water and the Silent Pool gin. And I think I'm going to use this. So in goes the ice. And this says to add a little bit of orange peel, so in goes the orange peel. Time for the gin, just as the sun comes out. You can get 2 gin and tonics out of each one of these, by the way, but I think it's rude just not to go for a really large one. And then goes the tonic. Give it a little muddle. Cheers. That's really fresh, really nice. Does it get any better? Well, actually, we'll find out, because let's have a look at the Rose Lemonade and the Slingsbury gin. In goes the ice, gin, and the tonic. And to top this one off, it recommends a few raspberries. In they go. Cheers. That's slightly sweeter, and while that has that bitter kind of gin taste that you expect, this is more like a cocktail for me. Still good though. So if you're a fan of gin, if you want gin sent to your door every single month, and to be fair, who doesn't, give ilovegin.com a look and you get gin sent to your door every single month. Alright, cheers, speak to you soon.